Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be showing you how I created this look. So guys, if you want to know how I created this look, get straight into the video and learn one or two things. If you want me to make more makeup tutorials, because I was really skeptical about making makeup tutorials because I didn't know people actually liked my makeup. But now that you guys say you like my makeup, okay, let's give it a try. Like, there's no harm in trying, right? You know, guys. Wait, before I go on, are you guys subscribed to my channel? Why are you not subscribed to my channel? Like, okay, I'm going to give you 30 seconds. Click the subscribe button down below. Okay, I know you did it. Thank you, guys. And let's get straight into the video, guys. Let me know what you think about this look. Let me know what you want me to do next. And if you have video suggestions for me, do not hesitate to put it down in the comment section below. Thank you to my 300 subscribers. I know that's small, but for a YouTuber in 2 weeks, like, thank you, guys. Alright, let's get straight into the video.
I like to start with my brows first, and that's me brushing out my brows. I'm using the Wet n Wild pencil, which I got off Walmart for $2, and trust me guys, it does the job. Now I'm going to be cleaning up my brows with my concealer in the shade Warm Honey. I like to go with the shade Warm Honey under my eyebrow because it makes my eyebrow pop. Moving on to priming my face, I'm going in with my NYC City Proof primer, and it actually helps seal my pores. I am using the Eyebrow Pro Concealer in the shade Foam as my shadow base. I'm going to go in with this blending angle brush. It's going to help with my eyeshadow. It's going to help with my transition color. And my transition color is going to sink in properly with this brush. So yeah, I'm just going to blend. I'm using a dark brown because I'm going for a nude look. So I'm using a dark pinky brown. And yeah, I'm just going to blend. Then again, I went with my concealer again in the shade Fawn because I want this matte finish look, and I like I said earlier, I'm going for a nude look.
So I'm going to be lining my face with this H2O Pro Wet n Wild eyeliner. It's a water eyeliner. I like it so much because the mouth is so pointed and it actually does the job. Moving on. On times when I'm doing my makeup, I go with my baby blender. That's what I use to control. That's what I use to make foundation for. I watched a video before I started this tutorial actually. And video, the person used a brush. So I want to see what's gonna happen with this brush. If it doesn't turn out well, trust me, I'm going to switch to my baby blender because I can explain. So, and the foundation I'm going to be wearing is Wearable. You look up to 24 hours foundation. It's a Walmart. It's a drugstore foundation. I'm not understanding this brush. So I might just switch to my blender. Can I explain things? I think beauty blender it is that switch to that blender by Real Technique. We need to for my under eye, I'm going to use the concealer in the shade Warm Honey. Concealer in the shade Warm Honey again, and that's what I used to conceal my under eye. My e.l.f. cream contour palette. I have no cream contour palette, and I'm going to go with the darkest shade to contour my face.
brush here to contour the bridge of my nose. I'm just gonna pat this because I don't like to make this now. Guys, that's what called the best food of the world. And I'm moving on to my feet. I'm going to go with my brown pencil. Then over that, I'm going to go in with my pink pencil. To have something to do about that. So yeah, I'm going to go with my nude view. I'm going in with my brush. Just a little though. I don't waste my brush. No time. We gotta go. So I'm going to go in with this health highlighter. Okay guys, this is a complete look. I hope you like it. I hope it was detailed enough and I hope I didn't go too much on point. But anyways, yeah, that's how I achieved my makeup and I hope you like it though. Okay guys, I wasn't really feeling that look, so I am the gloss girl. I love gloss so much, so yes, I had to go in with the gloss and I hope you like this look. I hope you learned one or two things from it.
The ring around the roses, and I love the way you smile. Wanna give it to you nice, and everybody wants to hold your hand. You give me this sort of feeling in my heart. When I'm with you, you give me this sort of feeling in my heart. When I see you, you give me this sort of feeling in my heart. When I'm with you, Ekuro.